General Hospital, GH, spoilers reveal that Jason Morgan, Steve Burton, and Drew Quartermain, Cameron Matheson, could be gearing up for a courtroom battle if their feud over Danny Morgan, Asher Antonizin, gets that far. Alexis Davis, Nancy Lee Grahn, is determined to honor Sam McCall's, Kelly Monaco, wishes and keep her kids together. But that means going along with Sam's desire to have Drew raise both Danny and Scout Quartermain, Cosette Avenant. Sam made that well before she knew Jason was still alive, so it's possible she would have chosen differently if she'd made some more recent updates. It's also possible that Alexis doesn't have the right copy and that Diane Miller, Carolyn Hennessy, will clear this up with a newer one. However, the show could certainly milk some major drama out of all this if they pursue a legal battle between the brothers. If Alexis convinces Drew to dig his heels in on this, Jason may have to take his brother to court. That could lead to some messy secrets getting exposed as the conflict escalates on both sides. GH fans will recall that Rick Lansing, Rick Hurst, took pics of the damage Jason did to Drew's face after he beat him up in the Quartermain foyer. That situation could be used to argue that Jason is out of control and won't be a good influence on Danny. However, that could also lead to the truth about why Jason attacked Drew coming out in court. Michael Corinthos, Chad Doyle, himself might testify that Jason was angry over homewrecker Drew, who slept with his own nephew's wife the night Sam died. Poor Scout woke up scared and frantically searched for her daddy, but Drew was too busy hooking up with Willow Corinthos, Caitlin McMullen, in the Quartermain playroom to be there for his little girl. If Drew doesn't even make Scout a priority, why should he be trusted to take care of Danny? When was the last time anyone saw Drew and Danny have a real bond anyway? Of course, both Jason and Drew chose Carly Spencer, Laura Wright, over their kids, so it's kind of a level playing field there. Jason was presumed deceased because of that FBI mission and his desire to keep Carly out of the slammer, but Drew also went to prison for Carly after the SEC snag. That said, Drew has suddenly become a respected congressman, so that career path would look better than Jason's in court. Jason's connection to Sonny Corinthos, Maurice Bernard, could hurt him once he goes before the judge. Nevertheless, Jason has rights as Danny's father, not to mention Danny is honestly old enough to get a say in all this. Danny is a teenager and not a toddler, so his own wishes could certainly be a factor in what's to come. General Hospital spoilers reveal that Jason and Drew have more hostility coming up no matter what, so stick with us for more custody news and any further courtroom predictions. CVL's where you want to be for the hottest General Hospital spoilers, predictions, updates, and news, so make us your top GA source.